How to fix TikTok direct message option not showing. Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix this problem. So the first way is you have to open the settings and then go to the apps manager, open the apps and then search for TikTok. Now here you have to click on the force stop option and then click on the notifications management, and after that scroll down and make sure every option right here is enabled like this. Go back and click on the storage, click on clear cache and then click on clear data like this and click delete. After that, this is the first way. The second way is you have to go to the Play Store, search for TikTok and update it. And last thing is you have to remove TikTok from your phone and reinstall it again. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.